Have you ever wondered how certain websites always seem to top the list in search engine results? That's the power of SEO at work. SEO, or search engine optimization, isn't just a buzzword in today's digital sphere. It's an essential strategy that can make or break your online presence. With billions of searches conducted every day, SEO has become a vital tool for anyone looking to be discovered online. It's like a beacon, guiding potential visitors to your website amid the vast expanse of the internet. By optimizing your site for search engines, you're essentially rolling out a red carpet for search algorithms, inviting them to explore your content and rank it favorably. SEO is all about enhancing visibility, driving organic traffic, and fostering growth in the digital realm. But how does it all work? What is the magic behind SEO that propels websites to search engine stardom? Let's delve into this exciting world of SEO and unravel its secrets. So what exactly is SEO and why does it matter? Let's unravel this together. Search engine optimization, or SEO for short, is a practice designed to enhance a website or online content to make it more appealing to search engines. The ultimate goal? To secure higher rankings in search engine result pages, also known as SERPs. By achieving this, you increase the organic or non-paid traffic your site receives. Now you might wonder, how does SEO work? Well, it's a complex blend of strategies, tactics, and best practices, all of which are constantly evolving to keep pace with the ever-changing algorithms of search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo. Whether it's keyword optimization, high-quality content, or effective link building, all these elements work together to improve your website's visibility, thereby attracting more visitors. Now that we have a basic understanding of SEO, let's break it down into its core components. The first pillar of SEO is what we call on-page SEO. This is the art and science of optimizing individual web pages to rank higher and earn more relevant traffic in search engine results. It's like dressing your website up in its finest attire, ready to impress both search engines and users. On-page SEO involves several key elements. Let's start with keyword optimization. This is the process of researching, analyzing, and selecting the best keywords to drive traffic from search engines to your website. It's about understanding what terms your potential visitors are using when they're looking for the kind of content, products, or services you offer, and making sure those keywords are incorporated naturally into your web pages. Next up is content quality. Search engines love fresh, original, and valuable content. It's not just about churning out content for the sake of it, it's about providing value to your readers. High-quality content is informative, engaging, and answers the questions your audience is asking. It's about creating content that stands out from the crowd. Then we have HTML tags. These are the elements that help search engines understand the structure and content of your website. Title tags, header tags, and meta descriptions play a critical role here. A well-crafted title tag and meta description not only inform search engines about the content of your page, but also act as a marketing pitch, enticing users to click on your link in the search results. Lastly, let's talk about user experience. A website that's easy to navigate and enjoyable to use will keep visitors coming back for more. Factors like site speed, mobile friendliness, and intuitive design all contribute to a positive user experience. Remember, a happy user is a returning user. Optimizing these on-page elements ensures your web pages are attractive to both search engines and users. It's about making your website the best it can be, inside and out. So roll up your sleeves and start optimizing, because every little tweak and improvement can make a big difference in your search engine rankings. The second pillar of SEO is off-page SEO. This is where we step outside the boundaries of our own website and venture into the broader digital landscape. Off-page SEO is all about building credibility and authority, and it plays a crucial role in how search engines perceive your website. While on-page SEO focuses on optimizing your own web pages, Off-page SEO concentrates on increasing your website's trustworthiness and reputation through external sites and platforms. It's like a popularity contest. The more high-quality votes or backlinks you get from other websites, the more search engines believe in the value of your content. One of the key strategies in off-page SEO is link building. This involves getting other reputable websites to link back to your site. Picture it as a recommendation letter. When a trusted website links to you, it's essentially vouching for your content, signaling to search engines that your site is valuable and trustworthy. But how do you get these valuable backlinks? Well, there are numerous ways, from creating high-quality, shareable content to guest blogging on other websites. You can also engage in broken link building, where you find dead links on other websites. Suggest that they replace the dead link with a link to your similar content, thus gaining a backlink. Beyond link building, social media engagement is another vital strategy. By sharing your content on social platforms, you can increase its reach, generate more traffic, and potentially earn more backlinks. Social signals such as likes, shares, and comments can contribute indirectly to your SEO performance. Lastly, influencer collaborations can also boost your off-page SEO efforts. By partnering with influencers in your industry, you can leverage their audience to promote your content, again, leading to more potential backlinks and increased brand awareness. In a nutshell, off-page SEO is all about creating a strong reputation and authority in the eyes of search engines. It's a complex process that requires strategic planning, patience, and consistency. But the payoff, a more visible, credible, and high-ranking website, off-page SEO is all about creating a strong reputation and authority in the eyes of search engines. The third pillar of SEO is technical SEO. This is the aspect of SEO that often gets overlooked but is equally as important as the other components. It's all about making sure your website is technically sound and friendly to search engines. Imagine walking into a library where books are scattered everywhere, the catalog is outdated, and you can't find the book you need. That's how a search engine feels when it encounters a website that hasn't been technically optimized. The first element of technical SEO is site speed. In a world where users expect instant gratification, a slow-loading website is a surefire way to lose visitors. Google knows this and prioritizes websites that load quickly. So, ensuring your site is fast and efficient is a must. This can be achieved by optimizing images, reducing unnecessary code, and using a reliable web host, among other things. Next up is mobile responsiveness. More than half of all web traffic comes from mobile devices, and this number is only growing. If your site isn't mobile-friendly, you're essentially turning away a significant chunk of potential visitors. Google also favors mobile-friendly websites, so make sure your site is designed to function well on all devices, not just desktop computers. Lastly, fixing crawl errors is a critical part of technical SEO. Crawl errors occur when a search engine tries to reach a page on your site but fails. This could be due to a broken link, a page that doesn't exist anymore, or a site that's blocked from being crawled. Regularly checking for and fixing crawl errors will ensure search engines can accurately index your site and serve it up to users. In essence, technical SEO is all about making your website easy to find, easy to navigate, and easy to understand for both users and search engines. It lays the foundation for your on-page and off-page SEO efforts. Without a technically sound website, all your other SEO efforts may go in vain. A technically sound website is a crucial aspect of SEO success. Now that we understand the pillars of SEO, let's discuss why SEO is essential for growth. SEO is like a digital beacon, illuminating your online presence, making it more visible in the vast ocean of the internet. When your website ranks higher in search results, it becomes more accessible to users actively seeking information or services related to your content. This increased visibility translates directly into higher organic traffic. laying a strong foundation for growth. The beauty of it is, the traffic you gain through SEO is essentially free, and it's not just a one-time thing. It's a gift that keeps on giving, unlike paid advertising where the impact diminishes once the budget runs out. But SEO is not just about being seen, it's about being trusted. Websites that consistently appear at the top of search results are often perceived as more trustworthy and credible by users. It's like having a glowing seal of approval from search engines, signaling to users that your content is valuable and worthy of their attention. This trust forms the basis of a strong relationship with your audience, encouraging them to engage with your site, share it, and become loyal visitors. In addition to being a visibility enhancer and trust builder, SEO is also a cost-effective marketing strategy. While traditional advertising methods can burn a hole in your pocket, SEO offers a more economical approach to reaching your audience. The long-term benefits of SEO far outweigh the initial investment, making it a wise choice for businesses seeking sustainable growth. Last, but by no means least, SEO is a powerful tool for understanding your audience. SEO tools and analytics provide valuable insights into user behavior, helping you to tailor your content and marketing strategies to meet their needs. By analyzing data related to keywords, click-through rates, and bounce rates, you can gain a deep understanding of what makes your audience tick. SEO is not just about ranking higher, it's about understanding your audience, delivering valuable content, and building a lasting online presence.